Hey guys, welcome back to the Faux Leather Finish Part 2. So this is really where we started with these chairs. The table's going to be another project. This is just to show you where we started and where we're going. So this is another chair. You have to excuse some of the stuff. I no longer have my space, so I have to work where I can work. So this one has already been painted, and I'm not even sure. I've been doing these chairs in segments, so I'm not even sure on how many coats this has on it. But I can feel that it's rough, and so this is what you do. You take a nice little. This is a real soft sponge, and you just And so what I'm going to do with this is you would take a cloth, wipe down the dust, and I'm going to hit this with one more coat of paint just to make sure that I have everything covered. Like I said, I'm not really sure on how many coats I put on this one. I've been doing them in segments, so I'm not really sure how many coats was on here, but I can feel that it's rough, and this sanding will make it nice and smooth and give you more of a leather feel. So this, I've already sanded it so it's nice and smooth. Usually what I would do is I would mist it, but I don't really know where my mister is. Well, it's here, it's downstairs, and I don't feel like getting it. So I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of paint. A little bit of water. This is just water. Just so that the paint will go on smoothly. I'm pretty much just dampening the fabric a little bit so that when it gets together. Now, I have mixed up some um one step black paint, black, one step paint, fabric softener, and water. I did not measure, but when I put it in there the first time when I stirred it, it was thick. You know, that means you have too much fabric softener. So I just put a little bit of water in it, and yeah, we're gonna go. So just take a little bit and start over here. That one was a little wet. And it's just gonna deepen the color to make sure it's black, and make sure I have full coverage. You think that you're doing black and white, but a lot of times you miss spots, and I can just see them. So this just ensures that I get a nice good coat on here. And you see how the water helps it move so smoothly. So that's the key with that. And that's it. And that will definitely be the last coat. So this is what I'm using to seal the fabric. It is the Amy Howard matte sealer. I love this. It really makes fabric feel like leather once you seal it. So what I have done is I have put the matte sealer in here with just a hint of the black one-step paint in here, just so it won't be so white. And I'm going to seal this back. I've sealed the one in the back. That was only like one coat. So I'm going to show you how I do it. It's going to look a little white and milky when it comes out, but that's okay. It will dry down. And this is just the first coat. I just kind of get it all around. Doesn't have to be perfect right now. It's just the first coat. And I just put it on. I also feather out my paint. I mean, some people don't, but I feather out my paint. I like it flat. I like it smooth. And I don't like a lot of lumps and drip marks. And once you get it all on, I just go back and just make sure everything is nice and flat and smooth. And let it dry. Okay, so you can see how the sealer dries. This is this is the first coat on that one. So this is how it's gonna look after you let it dry. So this is wet, this is dry, and it needs another coat. So really nice. It looks almost, it feels like leather, so that's why I like it. Just trying to figure out if I'm gonna do something on the back or not. But I think I might just leave it for now. Like it's a lot. But I kind of like the design. It's real simple, but it definitely upgrades. This is the before without the seat. And this is the after. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, press that notification button so you know when I post it. And if you would try something like this, comment faux leather. So if you would try something like this, comment faux leather in the comments, okay? And share this video with someone who might enjoy it. Thanks for watching.